Let's go back 1 second. What is the scope of all this?
Great guides for the new employees, share material for marketing.
Okay, so today we're going to look at 3 videos, right? The first one, the 3 things. The first one is about how to segment images for a labeling task. The second one is how to use those labeled segments to train a model, and then how to evaluate the model. Is that correct?
I missed the second part. I mean, I didn't create a guide about how to train the model.
Okay, so let's start from the first one then.
Okay, so I listed here 3 tools to annotate images.
Yes.
Supervisory, BGG Image Annotator, and GIMP. I think that the best one, I mean, the most useful for small level campaigns,
Yes.
is BGG, because you don't have to install anything.
Okay, cool. So it's online.
It's online, but the images are not stored on cloud, so there's no problem with the privacy of the data. And you can directly export the annotation in the Coco format. That is the format that we usually use to create the masks.
Okay, good.
And the interface is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So I think that this is the right tool for these guys. And yeah, but then I created a simple bullet point list explaining how to annotate a sample image.
Okay.
With BGG.
Can you make a little bit bigger the screen, because I can't see it very well? Okay, excellent. Yeah. Control plus. Yeah. Lovely.
Okay.
All right. So you're gonna give me an example, right, on how this works on VGG. Excellent.
So, for example, this is the platform.
Yep.
Here we have images that I have already annotated.
Yes.
In this example, we have 2 segment faces.
Yes.
On the images. So if you want to load a new file, we can add the URL to the file. If we can find it online,
Yeah.
we can just load from the local storage.
Okay.
For example, we load another image like this. We have to choose the shape of the annotation, so we can create a bounding box, or we can create circles, simple lines, or polygons. And obviously, polygons is our way to go, because we have to create segmentations. Yeah. So we click the polygon and we start from one face, the left one. So we just click every time we feel that we need an edge to contour better the profile of the face.
Pretty easy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Oxford.
Okay. We can press delete, I think, or I don't remember, backspace to delete the last point.
Okay.
And once we have completed the mask, we just click enter to confirm the annotation.
Awesome.
Okay. If we want to label in any way the mask, we just click on the line. We can type a pre-selected category.
Fine.
For example, human. And then we go to the next space. And so on.
Okay. And I imagine that then the crucial step is how to then export these maps into a format that can be used, right? And I imagine that there are two different ways. Either you export a JSON with all the points, or that, and that's my favorite option. I would like to see a map that is binary, where the objects are in white and the background is in black. Can I do that?
No, you cannot create a mask directly from VGG. I think that it's better because in this way you don't store directly the images.
Okay, fair enough. So you were mentioning Coco format, right? And
yeah, you export in CSV, JSON, or Coco format.
And Coco format is the one of the typical segmentation models that we're using?
Usually the mask of the image is created on the fly while training.
Okay.
So you load the annotation in the Coco format, and during the training, the mask are generated on the
Excellent. Fly. And just out of curiosity, if I download as image, what happens?
Download that? I could try, yeah. Maybe try.
Just want to see what is the output. You know, there are situations where...
No, it's just a screenshot.
It's a screenshot. It's a screenshot of the... Okay, fair enough. That's fine.
And then yeah, you can save the project if you didn't finish the campaign yet. You want to continue the campaign later.
Excellent. Okay, so now we have let's say that we have done our segmentation. What's next?
So we export the annotation in the Coco format.
Yes.
We save the file. And now you have to create your training pipeline. Exactly.
Yes.
To input these images. I didn't prepare anything.
Okay, so this is the step number one, right? And we then have to understand how it's gonna be useful to collect all these segmentations to train a segmentation model that can do this task automatically. Is that correct?
Yeah.
All right, so in the next video, we're gonna look into that.
Perfect.
Thank you, Davide.
Thank you.